So dislocated shoulder, guys, for strapping. First, you have to put this under the armpit of the victim. Then cross. Cross. So you can adjust which part of the body would you like to tie. So for example, I want to tie in front. So adjust ko lang siya. So make sure that this covers this part because this will be the muscle from the armpit will support the dislocated shoulder. So you have to tie it very, you have to secure it very tightly.
So the key here is you need to
Secured. So this is how you tie the dislocated shoulder using triangular bandage.
dislocation. Kasi usually guys, if you experience dislocation, but you can still feel it, but the only part is still.
Kailangan mo si secure siya.
Yeah, that's what it is.